Sarap. Ngayon, maglalagay tayo ng tinapay. Lagyan natin palaman yung tinapay na tasty. At lalagyan natin ng real mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise. Or mayonnaise. Real mayonnaise. Lilis choice. So lalagyan natin ng palaman. Yan. Naparami yata guys. Kasi mas masarap guys yung maraming palaman. Lalo tayong gaganahan. Yan. Okay. So itong dalawa to guys eh. Yan. Takip natin. Kunting press. Yan. And tikman natin guys. So sila guys, partner. Bagay sila mag-partner. Kape at saka tasty. Tamang-tama, mainit. So, merienda tayo guys. Snacks. Kunting halo. Kunting kagat. At kape. Ayun lang guys. Salamat.